Talk about the old style rotary phones, rotary dial phones that is. A lot of the young people out there probably wouldn't even know how to use them. So I'm just going to show you exactly how they work there. So this is kind of like a candlestick phone, and the dial on this particular one is on the bottom, but you can see no cord on it there, so it's not functional anymore. But when you put it down, it shuts off the line. So you can see this. Put this camera on somewhere. There we go. But see there, you push the button there, and when you pick it up, you can get dial tone, and then you're ready to dial the number. So, like example, if you want to dial a number, like, oh, let's say area code 403 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then you just hear the phone ring, and then the person will answer it. Then you just talk like any other phone there, a cell phone or regular landline. But yeah, it's a lot slower than the push button phones that they have nowadays. You hardly ever see a rotary dial phone anymore except in museums. But I just thought I'd show it to you there, just so people know how old rotary dial phones work. Okay, have a good one. Bye.